Hello, I'm Ezza Fathima, and today I'm going to read Pigs Make Me Sneeze. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want yes, a what? A ball, a swim, a hat. Choo! Are you okay? I don't know. Choo! I cannot stop. Choo! Sneeze. Oh no! What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you try to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can never be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But, Gerald, no, don't speak. It's too late. Goodbye, Gerald. Are you okay, Gerald? I am not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggie is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Done. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? You are sick. I am sick. Oh, thank you, Dr. Piggie, great news. I have a cold. Good for you. The end. Thanks for reading.